Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, I just want to go over a couple sneakers that I'm looking into maybe holding in August, so maybe some good August sneaker holds. If not, then these are ones I'll kind of discuss where the market's going to head from, maybe just why they're ones you should sell now, or ones you can maybe buy now if you wanted, but they may go a little bit lower over the next couple weeks, so just pay attention to that. So, if y'all want more content like this, check me out. My Instagram's down below. Always buying, selling, and trading here. You can see I post a lot of content as well. So stay in the loop with me. And again, you can check my story. I always got stuff for sale. I posted a lot this morning. I'm going to do more tonight. So yeah, just check it. See what I got for sale. There's a lot of stuff there right now. And you guys can also check us out down below at Resell Vision Group. You can see some of the deals we just did for week 7. We're going to be doing this SB Dunk Low on the screen right here under market for week 8. Alexis Sablone SB Chameleon. So if you're looking to secure your pair of those under resale market price, a little bit closer to retail, because those will be a little bit of a hard cop, then yeah, we got you. We do stuff like that every single week. And you see people winning this stuff on the screen right there. So that is what we do. We provide you the best. You can see someone just won a pair of bike airs last night. So we got another giveaway coming later this week. That's the type of stuff we do. We actually may give away a pair of the Alexis Sablones. So yeah, if you're a member in there, you'll be cooking. So hope to see you guys there. Again, if you like undermarket sneakers, you can read some of our reviews and know that, well, we're 100% legit and we do deals every single day. So get in there, stop paying the hype. That's everything I need to say. And why don't we just get started here with this video? Hopefully my screen recording's working. I don't think it is, but at least I got the intro in. I'll be back in a second, y'all. So as y'all can see, the first one I want to get into discussing is the White Thunder Jordan 4. Now, one main thing I want to say about this sneaker, I think it can probably go like 10-20 bucks lower, because again, we're getting really close to retail. We've seen a few Jordan 4s here before. They'll probably ride it out to about 220, 240, or 220, 250. I think the big sizes, low point for them will probably be around $240. I'm talking like for 12, 13, 14, but I could be wrong, and 11.5, that's another one I'm going to include in there, but I could be wrong. Again, if people take a bunch of L's on sneakers, these are going to shoot up in price and, be a little bit more expensive after drop day. That's a thing we see normally. However, after, all the sneakers pairs ship and people get those a couple weeks after this release, I think they'll probably, again, be chilling at that range. I was saying it in the video the other day, probably 230, 270. So it'll be a slight flip, but mainly in those bigger sizes, 11 plus, this one will be a good bet. However, I think this sneaker is a good hold. You can go look at literally any of the past sneakers they've done in this series, even the GS ones. I mean, they go for some pretty good bread. Not the 2012 pair, but I mean, like, the previous Thunders, the ones they just did. I mean, those were at retail, under retail. Now it's like a $300 shoe, so over $300 shoe, excuse me. Back to school this year has brought the prices up on those even more. So it's just like with a shoe like this, I'm not going to miss the opportunity. I'm going to get a lot of the big sizes at retail, because I know if I just wait a little bit, this would be a really easy bet, considering all the other Thunder colorways, the red Thunders, the yellow Thunders. Those are all doing well. So, I mean, this will probably only follow the lead. You know what I mean? Especially the GS ones. I mean, if another sneaker I'm going to discuss in this video, the military blue GS. Let me see. Yeah, this one right here. I mean, if these are reselling in some sizes for 200 bucks, why could these right here, Alright, so we're just going to do the rest of this video off my phone screen record. My computer one is not working very well. Yeah, usual trend in this. With making my videos here again. Luckily, my school computer's pretty good, so I never have issues with that. But you guys can see, okay, just double checking that. Here's what they're going for right now. Again, that 6.5 wide, 7 wide. Those are two ones that I think you should look out for. Again, if you can get a lot of those at retail price, I think it will age very, very well. The Thunder 4s in grade school sizes, I mean, that's like a $200, $250 shoe. Why could this not be there? You know what I mean? I mean, again, I know I'm making a lot of comparisons to the past Thunder colorways, but I think that's the proper thing to do, considering these will probably just follow the lead. You know what I mean? Like, the red Thunders did well, yellow Thunders did well, and this is just part of that series, so people are going to, try and complete that series. They're going to go for all the pairs. So that's the first one I get into, the White Thunders. Now, I was quickly getting into discussing these again. I've mentioned this in a couple of videos recently, so y'all know about this, but pay attention. Military blue grade school. I mean, look at that, doing really, really well. These were a brick not that long ago. Now you can see not a brick anymore, at least in 7 wide, 6.5 wide, looking just fine, and 6 wide. So that is what I can say. Military blue grade school, be paying attention. Just grade school 4s in general. They're still good holds. They make progress. But aside from that, the Alexis Sablone Chameleon SB. Now, I'm continuing to wait for prices to drop on these. It seems like we finally may have hit that point where they've settled a bit, because yesterday prices were the exact same pretty much as the ones you see on the screen right now. Other than, 13's dropped a pretty decent amount in price. Same with some of the smaller sizes. They still have progress to make, like, downward. Like these are still going to be dropping in price. That's one main thing I'll say over the next week or so. So I think these are a great hold. I think they're going to be heading to a range of $160 to $200. I discussed that in a recent video. However, the big sizes in particular, 11 plus, they may, you know, lowest point be 200 flat, right? But if they get to 180, 200, I'm going to be buying a lot of them. And I told you all, if they get to 170, 160, I'm getting very comfortable with buying this pair, because I know just looking at how any SB Dunk Low has done over the last 2 or 3 years, you can just wait and they go up in price. So it's a good collaboration, very wearable sneaker. Just cool, very cool. Like, I mean, you don't get pairs like this too often, and when you do, it's like, hey, pay attention, they're nice. So I think this is just one that a lot of people are rocking with. So for me, I'm paying attention, I'm getting ready to hold this pair, and I'm just, you know, waiting for the prices to come down a little bit more. You know, we still got the US drop on the way. Once we get a little bit more confirmation about that loads up, more skate shops start posting them, that's when I'll be, you know, getting ready to buy some then. Mainly big sizes though, 11 plus. I'll get my 9.5 though for my personal. Aside from that though, another one that I just want to quickly go over. Okay, yeah, I was just giving a little look right there on my screen. But yeah, the Amamani Airs that just dropped. Sneakers actually gave me exclusive access today to these. Shout out Nike. I got a 13.5 W men's 12. Like, again, this is a very good, very wearable collaboration. It's funny because, as you guys can see, the sales aren't super crazy for this pair on apps because so many people have taken dubs. It's like they don't got to go to apps, you know, but that's not a bad thing. We've seen a lot of sneakers where it's kind of been like that, the military blues, things like that. We still have the sneakers drop that has to load up for this one because you can see they just did EA today, so there is going to be another main release, and then that'll be it for this pair. But yeah, seems like there was a decent amount of them. Good stock. I think that's what people wanted, so at the end of the day, we shouldn't be complaining. You know, we wanted more pairs and we got more pairs. So you can see retail was like $225. They're currently reselling for about $270 to $300. Actually, I'm pretty surprised by this. The main reason I'm surprised by this is because I didn't think they were going to do this many pairs. But I mean, if that's what it is, that's what it is. But there's probably a couple on my Montier locations that still have some larger sizes left. That's what I would say. But these are super cool in hand. I've seen them in hand. You can go look at my Instagram. I posted, you know, photos a day or two ago of them. They're nice, you know, so I copped them for retail because I was like, ooh, I got EA, you know, it was right after my class today. I was like, you know what, why not? I'll go ahead and get these. You can't go wrong with a men's 12 on a popular collab. It'll have to age well. I'm just going to go look at how the other Amamani 3s have done, but I'm assuming men's 12 has probably gone up in price over time. So for me, I was like a retail Amamani Air on a Jordan 3, good to collab. Yeah, like no-brainer. So I was like, you know what? I'll probably be able to flip these. And if not, I can get them, you know, to someone in Resell Vision for retail or a little under retail, something like that. You know, we do the deals every day there, so do not miss out. But yeah, best piece of advice for these is either hold long term or get the local sale now. That would be my advice. But it depends. Like if you only have one pair, then yeah, probably just flip them now. But if you got a couple, hold them. You know, I got like, I think like 4. So not a crazy amount of them, but you know, I'm like, okay, it's enough to where I could be like, maybe I could hold these and it'd be worth my time. But if you only have like 1 or 2, then yeah, maybe make the flip or sell one, hold one, easy like that. So aside from that, I almost just clicked buy now by accident on StockX. Thank God I did not do that. Luckily, it's not automatic, kind of like Amazon or something like that. But a final one I want to discuss is the Safari SB Dunk Low. Man, people are giving these away. That's one thing I want to say. People are not giving these the respect they deserve. That's one thing I should say. These are very nice in hand. I like the black laces they come with. They look really good with the black laces, actually, if you wear them with those. But yeah, people are doing these wrong. I mean, they're not that bad. It's a nice SB Dunk Low. It has good suede, but I can totally understand if it's not somebody's style. Actually, it seems like it's not a lot of people's style. And I get that, you know, but I got a personal pair. They're good. It's just like any other SB Dunk Low, and you can look at how, I mean, shoot, the City of Love SB Dunk Lows are going for $200. Why could these not go for $200? You know what I mean? And the City of Love SBs, mainly in the big sizes for that, what I just said. Not the small sizes. Those are not going for $200 and 9.5, 10. But if you go look at 12, I mean, really, really close. Actually, it might be there by the time I'm making this video now. So, again, big size SB Dunk Lows. People are just giving these away right now in 13 and 12. Will be 200 by probably later this year, just because there's none of them. There's not, I mean, shoot, look, we can check out size 13. There's never, like, look, you see what I mean? It's just always spread out. Look. Like, there's not a lot of size 13s for sale, other than this one guy with 11. Who has 11 pairs of size 13? That is a skate shop. That's, like, nobody, like, I know StockX asks aren't, like, sorted by seller, like one person with 11 asks right there. Like, that's not how it works. But that might be. That might be, you know, because they're all at the exact same price, 11 pairs. Hey, I don't know. They could just be old listings as well. But that's it. I'm at my screen recording. Just a few August pairs I want to discuss. If you really wanted to know what the most important things to focus on this video, or most important holds, would be, I'd say, the Alexis Sablone SBs. Very, very good one to focus on. Let those get a little bit cheaper, bigger sizes. Those will be a really, really good hold. Unique collab. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. So that's why I think that. And then the other one I was mentioning, the White Thunder, grade school sizes. As many of those as retail as possible. Grade school Jordan 4s are not dead. As the military blues and grade schools have proven, those were at 120, 130 bucks. Now some of them are almost at 200. So, yeah, you better be getting your grade school 4s because parents be going hard for their kids. Always. So, that's why, kids' sneakers are reselling like that. So again, don't forget, if you all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. It's trying to 200 likes. I'm going to put out another video tomorrow, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It'll probably be like a unboxing, or no, it's going to be the how-to cop for the Alexis Sablone. So stay tuned for that, the how-to cop for that video. Or not that video, for that sneaker will be out tomorrow. And check us out down below at Resell Vision. You can see this is what we do, man. Undermarket sneakers every day. So you can see some of the ones, again, we just did last week. You can see the giveaway we just did. And again, we're doing the Alexis Sablone SBs undermarket this week. So don't miss out on that. That's what we do. We provide you the best. We bring the source to you and help you make some flips or get the stuff you want for the prices you want. So that's pretty much all I need to say right there. You can also check out my IGs down below. Hey, early pair content. You need anything? I got tons of stuff for sale, things like that. So shoot me, a little DM, hit me up. You see anything you like on my story that I got for sale? Hey, hit me up. I'll let you know the price. So that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys. And hopefully I will catch you on the next video tomorrow. Your boy, I've been super, super busy recently. So sorry if I haven't gotten back to every DM. It's just like first week of classes back in college. So, I've been pretty busy with that. But hey, I've been liking it. Been pretty good. Overall good college feel. So, happy about that. We're going to keep working, keep grinding hard. If you're in Resell Vision, we do deals every day, and we got more coming tonight. So I'm T. Thank you, guys. I'll see you all in the next video tomorrow, so don't miss out on that. See you then. Peace.